How to enable Google Authenticator on Binance application. First of all, make sure that you've downloaded your Binance and your Google Authenticator app, whether via Play Store or App Store. Then open the Binance account and press the top left icon, which will lead to your profile prompt. After tapping in your username, you'll be led to this screen over here. Here you can select the security option and then the Authenticator app option. Press the Enable button at the bottom of the screen, and then you'll be led to the security verification page. Here you'll be sent a verification code on your email, which you can type, and then these 3 steps will be shown. The first step is to copy the code in the top of the screen. Secondly, open your Authenticator app and create a new code. Press Next after you've done so, and the Binance account will be linked with your Authenticator app. Here, as you can see, I have opened the Authenticator app. Press the plus button and create a new code. After the code has been sent, you use the code from your Authenticator app, and there you go. The Authentication app and the Binance app are synced together. Hopefully this video answered your query.